Hi everyone. In this video, we look at how to upload a font in Canva. Now, the first thing is to upload a font in Canva, you need to have Canva Pro. You cannot upload a font in the free version of Canva. You can also use Canva for education, Canva for nonprofit, and I think Canva for campus, and you can upload your custom font to all of these if you have all of these plans, but on a Canva free version, you can't. Now, why would you upload a custom font, a new font to Canva? Canva has a zillion fonts, right? But maybe you are using a font for your brand that is not there on Canva. It is a specialized font and you need to use it in your brand designs that you're creating on Canva. So you need the font. So that is why you need to get Canva Pro so you can create a brand kit and upload the font to the brand kit for your specific brand or the specific brand that you're using for that font. Now, there are two ways of uploading the font in Canva in terms of an interface, but remember that it will get added to a brand kit eventually. Whether you upload it from the design interface or from a brand kit interface, however you upload the font, it will get added in a brand kit. So let's see how this works. Let's say I have this file and I have my digital content hub. This is my brand content kit that is selected. So what I can do here is I can just add a heading or I can just add a text box. Okay, and now I want a special font for this. Let us choose the font first. Okay, now we go to Google Fonts and I have chosen this font, for example, Marienda. So what I have done is I basically go here and then I do filters and I chose a handwritten one and I got this one. And also I wanted to choose one which has multiple options. So you can have different styles of a font. You can have different styles in terms of thickness, and you can also have different types in terms of regular, italic, bold, crossed out, etc. So I chose one which has multiple styles, so I can show you exactly how it works. So let's say I have this font called Marienda. I can click on that. And here are the different styles. Because it's already an italic font, the styles are in thickness levels, but that's fine. I will just show you how it works over here. So I do get font and then I do download all. So now I'm going to download this font Marienda on my desktop. Remember, it will come as a zipped file. To upload the font in Canva, you need it to be in a specific format. Should be a font file, so an OTF or WFF, some typical kind of fonts that you need, font files that you need to upload. So I'm going to go to my download folder now. Here, this is downloaded as a zip file and it will have all the fonts. So when I unzip it, you will see all the font files. Now it has unloaded and you can see these files. There is one variable font weight here, and if you go to static, then it has all these levels: black, bold, extra bold, light, medium, regular, etc. Okay, now we're going to go back to Canva. Now here I want to upload a font. So again, as I said, there are two ways of uploading fonts. You can keep your text box selected, go to this place which is the font section, and instead of choosing a font here, you can go down. It says me. You can go down here where it says upload a font. So you can just click on upload a font and you can go to Marienda, static, and now I'm going to select all of these. Now note that these are all font files. It says true type font file. You can select all of these, open, and then it will ask you to confirm that you have the right to use these fonts. If you have downloaded from Google Font, no problem. You can just say, yes, I have the right to use, because these are free fonts. If you're downloading from a third party and you're paying for the fonts, and make sure that you have the necessary rights to be able to use the font in your designs. So here I'm just going to say, yes, upload away. Now, if I go here and I look for the font, Marienda, it is there. And if I see there is a little arrow to the left of it, so if I click on it, then it will show me the different versions: light, regular, medium. So all of these I uploaded, so all of these are showing. Let's see how it looks. I do extra bold, regular, light, black. All the font options are possible. Okay. Now, one thing you need to see here is that here, if you see on the left, I have all this, the mega menu of Canva, and here if you see, this brand kit has been is showing here. So I did this addition, I did the font addition in the brand kit of digital content tab. So here it will show me in the fonts. Okay, if I go here edit. So here it shows me the other fonts that I had before, and then manage uploaded fonts. So if I do this, it says uploaded fonts are Marienda. I have uploaded this font, but because I have not set it as a heading, side title, subtitle, etc., it is not showing. So for example, quote, if I say choose a font, and I can use Marienda 16, bold, whatever. Okay, so heading, subheading, section header. So I'm just doing quote for now. I want to use Marienda as my quote font. Okay, so in Marienda, I will choose it to be medium, no bold, and I save it. Now it has saved to that specific brand kit. Now let's go to the brand kit and see what happens. I'm going to go home, and then I'll go to the brand, and I go to my brand kits, and this is my brand kit digital content hub where I added my font. So if you see over here, these other fonts added quote, and this is manage uploaded font Marienda, because I uploaded it when my brand kit digital content hub was active. So see, if I show you my other brand kits, back to brand kits, if I show you here, okay, here it is. I have to add it because it has not been added to this brand kit. Once I upload the font, I can add it to as many brand kits as I want. But when I am uploading it from the text menu, it will get uploaded in the brand kit folder of that, of the brand kit that is actually active. So here I can do Marienda, and now I can add it to this as a specific font in my other brand kit. Okay. The other way that you can upload it, I'm going to just delete it now. So let's say I go to this brand kit, and here I can always do fonts, add new, and upload a font. This is another way that you can upload a font to a specific brand kit. And once you upload it, you can also use it on other brand kits as well. So that is how you upload a custom font to Canva.